Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about packing mistakes, specifically the ones we all make as parents. Let's be honest, packing for a family is a logistical marathon. If you're not careful, you'll end up with goldfish crackers in your bra and no shoes for the toddler. So grab your coffee or your wine, I don't know your life, and let's dive into the biggest packing pitfalls we fall into and how to fix them, so your next trip doesn't start with a meltdown at the airport. First up, overpacking for the kids. We think they need 10 outfits per day in case of spills, weather, mystery stains, alien invasions, you name it. But guess what? Unless that's how you roll at home, it's not likely how things will go down on vacation. Chances are they're going to want to live in a swimsuit, so pack 2 of those. If your kids are past the diaper stage, pick 1 outfit per day plus 2 backups total. That's it. Unless you're going to Disney in the summer, that's a whole different video. Use 1 packing cube per kid, roll it all or pack outfits in Ziplocs, and you're done. Plus, it saves room for snacks or souvenirs, or that 1 pair of sandals you don't actually need but will bring anyway. No judgment, we all do it. Next, throwing clothes in without planning. You think, oh, I'll figure it out when we get there. Honey, no, you won't. You'll end up with 3 tops and 0 pants, or all denim in the middle of a tropical vacation. Try out a packing method. I have videos on a few of them you can check out, or at least lay out all your clothes before packing. Snap pics on your phone if that helps. And yes, you too, moms. I know we pack for everyone else and then throw in our stuff at the last minute. You deserve clothes you feel great in, not a pile of stretched leggings and regrets. All right, this one's sneaky. Packing clothes you think still fit or feel good without trying them on first. You grab that cute dress or those vacation pants you haven't worn since 2021, toss them in, and then on day 3 you find out they don't zip, or they itch, or they make you irrationally angry. Try everything on before it goes in the suitcase. Yes, even the stuff you swear you love. Sit in it, move around in it, make sure it still fits, feels good, and matches your other pieces. You want vacation you to be comfy, confident, and not yanking at your waistband all day. Packing for the destination you want versus the weather that's actually happening? Guilty. I once packed a ton of sundresses for our Anna Maria vacation. It rained 5 days straight, and I ended up buying an $80 hoodie and wearing that the whole trip. So cute, right? Check the forecast 2 or 3 days before you leave. Pack 1 emergency layer per person, even for warm places. A lightweight rain jacket or hoodie takes up almost no space, and trust me, you'll thank yourself when that unexpected cold front rolls in. The just-in-case spiral. We've all been there. I'm calling myself out on this one big time. Extra shoes just in case. A 4th stuffed animal just in case. That spiralizer because your toddler might eat zucchini on vacation. No, they won't. Give every item a reason. Ask yourself, will this actually get used, or am I packing it out of anxiety? If it's the latter, try to skip it. All right, this one's a heartbreaker. Putting all your eggs in the checked bag basket. Delayed luggage is a thing, and kids don't understand why their favorite blankie is stuck in Dallas. Not to toot my own horn, but in my personal item packing method, I talk about requirements. These are things you cannot afford to lose or go 24 hours without. 1 full change of clothes per person, medications, comfort items, chargers, travel documents, backup forms of payment, loveys. See the video for more information. Make a list of these things and make sure they are in your personal item bag, and then double check that list as you pack. Listen, I love sandals as much as the next girl, but if your trip involves walking, ditch anything that gives you blisters. Limit to 3 pairs max. These are the magic 3. 1 comfy walking shoe, 1 versatile loafer or flat, 1 pair of flip-flops or easy slip-ons. For kids, I love Crocs as travel shoes. They're closed-toed, easy to slip on and off, they dry fast, and have a nice wide toe box. And pack socks. Always pack socks. We remember the iPads, but forget the chargers. Every single time. Or we bring 6 devices and 1 adapter, and suddenly, the whole family's huddled around 1 outlet like it's a campfire. Make a tech pouch. Go through each device and make sure you have a charger dedicated to it so you don't have to play the whose electronics are more important game. A portable battery for everyone that's not a toddler or younger, and an outlet splitter or hub. This one is super important for hotel rooms and cruise vacations. We think it's easier to pack everything for them, but you know what? It's a missed opportunity. They don't learn how to pack, and you end up packing until midnight. Give them a checklist, Even if they're young, let them gather things. You can edit, of course, but giving them some control makes them more invested and less likely to whine that you didn't pack their Minecraft shirt. Bonus parenting points here for teaching them a valuable life skill. So there you go, 9 classic packing mistakes and how to avoid them. The goal here isn't to be perfect, it's to be prepared enough that your trip feels like an adventure, not a crisis. If you've made these mistakes before, welcome to the club. We've all been there and we've all learned. Now it's your turn to travel smarter, pack lighter, and maybe turn your trip into a vacation. Maybe. And hey, if you're thinking about a trip to Disney Universal or looking to cruise with the family, I'd love to help. I'm a travel agent who specializes in those kinds of magical getaways, and I'll take care of all of the details so you don't have to. The best part is I'm paid by the parks, so my services are free to my clients. You can find a link to get in touch with me in the description box below or scan this QR code. Let's make your next vacation smooth, fun, and unforgettable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life tips, and let me know in the comments what your biggest packing mistake has been. I want to hear it. Thanks for watching.